Welcome home to this charming 3-bedroom 2-bath home in the Crossings. Upon entering, you're greeted by a light and bright living and dining room with vaulted ceilings, neutral paint and carpet throughout. Split floor plan offers 2 bedrooms and 1 bath in the front of the house. Second bedroom has a walk-in closet. This spacious living and dining room feature new oil rub bronze-like fixtures and vaulted ceilings. Updated ceramic tile in entry, kitchen and both baths. Kitchen boasts new stainless steel appliances with ceramic cooktop and built-in microwave. Family room and master bedroom are located in the back of the home for added privacy. Master has a walk-in closet, attached bath with double sinks and an updated shower. Whole house has thermal insulated double-hung windows. They are tinted and open from the top and bottom. Backyard is fenced and has a large cement patio. Shed is included. You won't want to miss this hidden gem in Wynwood of The Crossings. Zone for highly rated Lake Mary schools. Make your appointment today.